Before we begin, a quick favor. If you've been enjoying the podcast, would you consider leaving a review? It really helps others find this space and join us on their own healing journey. If you haven't already, you can get your free IFS meditations and the Self-Led Pause Starter Kit at exploreifs.com. Welcome back to IFS Meditations and Insights. I'm Tim Fortescue, your guide on this journey toward wholeness through the lens of internal family systems. Together, we're creating a sacred space to explore, accept, and love all parts of ourselves. As we do this work, we open ourselves to experiencing divine love and living more authentically. Let's begin. The intention of this meditation is to check in with the parts that may feel rushed sometimes. And so, as we begin, take a moment to settle in. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing you need to solve. Nothing you need to prove. Just this moment. And you. Maybe gently allow your body to get a little more comfortable. You might place your feet on the floor or soften your shoulders a bit. Maybe loosen your jaw. Simply notice that you've arrived. Take one slow breath in, slowly exhale. Just do that again. Breathing in gently, letting go. No need to force anything. Just noticing your breath moving naturally. And as you begin settling a little more deeply into this moment, see if you can simply notice what your inner world feels like right now. Not analyzing, not fixing, just noticing. Maybe there's calm. Maybe there's tension. Maybe there's mental noise. Maybe there's already a part wondering if you're doing this meditation correctly. That's okay. All parts are welcome here. And today, in this meditation, we're especially making space for the parts of you that feel rushed, the parts that feel behind, the parts that are carrying pressure, the parts trying so hard to stay ahead. See if you can gently notice where you feel that energy in or around your body. Maybe it shows up in your chest, your stomach, your shoulders, your jaw. Maybe it feels like more of mental racing. thoughts moving quickly, planning, scanning, trying to stay on top of everything. Just notice. And as you notice this rushing energy, see if you can extend just a drop of curiosity, not merging with it, not overwhelmed by it, and just gently noticing. A part of me feels rushed. And that small shift matters. You are not the rushing. You're noticing it. And maybe now, gently ask inside, who or what's here right now? And wait, not forcing an answer, just listening. Maybe an image comes, maybe words, maybe emotions. Maybe you simply sense a presence. However it shows up is okay. And as you notice this rushed part, see if you can ask, how do I feel toward this part? Maybe there's frustration, maybe exhaustion, maybe compassion, maybe another part saying, why can't I just relax? Just notice whatever's there. And if judgment is present, that's okay too. You don't need to push anything away. Now imagine creating just a little more space around this rushed part. Not abandoning it. Just take that again, not abandoning it. Not abandoning it. Not silencing it. Just giving it a little room to breathe. And maybe let this part know, I'm here with you. And it's in this spaciousness, even just a little more, that we can be in relationship with each other. You can see me, I can see you. You don't have to carry everything alone. Maybe gently ask this part, what are you afraid would happen if you slowed down? And just listen for a bit. Maybe it's afraid things will fall apart. Maybe it fears disappointing people. Failing. Missing opportunities. Being seen as lazy. Maybe it learned long ago that slowing down wasn't safe. Whatever arises, see if you can meet it with compassion rather than correction. This part has likely been working very hard for a very long time, maybe harder than anyone else. And perhaps you can simply say, "Thank you for your hard work and for all you're doing to help me." You don't need to stop existing. I just want to understand you better. Notice what happens in your body as you offer that. Maybe nothing changes. Maybe something softens slightly. Maybe the part becomes emotional. Maybe it stays guarded. And all of that's okay. There's no perfect meditation experience. Now imagine yourself sitting beside this rushed part, not above it, not trying to fix it, just beside it, present, steady, calm. Maybe this part is tired. Maybe it's carrying responsibility that feels endless. Maybe it believes the whole world rests on its shoulders. And maybe for this moment, you can help it set some of that weight down, just for now. Not forever. Just for this breath. And this one. And this one. Now gently bring your awareness back to your breathing, slow and natural, nothing forced. Notice the support underneath you, the chair, the floor, the bed, whatever's holding you right now. You do not have to hold yourself up alone in this moment. See if you can let these words settle softly inside. I do not have to abandon myself to keep moving forward. Slowing down does not mean I'm failing. Rest is not weakness. Presence matters too. Take a few moments of quietness here. Simply breathing. Simply being. And if your mind wanders, that's okay. Just gently come back. Again and again. No shame. No pressure. Just returning. Now, before we close, check in one more time with that rushed part or parts. See if there's anything they want you to remember. Anything they need from you. Anything they hope you understand. And just listen. And maybe offer them this final reassurance. We can move through life together. We do not have to run all the time. I'm here now. And take one deeper breath in. And slowly exhale. Let's do that again. And take one deeper breath in. Slowly exhale. Send a round of gratitude to all your parts that showed up for their courage one more time. Then remind them that you can come back if it feels right for you. And then begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the room around you again. As you return, see if you can carry a little more spaciousness with you. A little less urgency. A little more presence. Not perfectly. Just gently. One moment at a time. And remember, even slowing down for one breath can begin changing your relationship with yourself. Thanks for being here. That wraps up another episode of IFS Meditations and Insights. If today's episode was meaningful to you, please follow, subscribe, and share with someone who might need it. A positive review helps more people find this healing work, and don't forget you can get your free IFS meditations and the self-led pause starter kit at exploreifs.com. And until our next session, be gentle with yourself. I'll try to do the same because we're beloved human beings.